Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we're gonna continue with the starter finish series. In the previous parts, make the breakdown, the build up, the drop, all that stuff. So in today's video, we're gonna finish the bass house track. We're gonna work on arrangement, mix and master, and just finishing the song. So let's straight dive into the project. So the first thing I want to do is arrange the drums a little bit more in the drop. Because normally in a bass house drop, you have the kick, then it claps, and then all the heads. So first, let's remove all the drums, sounding like this.
Tweet that. There you go.
Then just the clap.
Tweet that. Go.
And make sure to remove the head as well.
Go. There you go. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters. Get your feet wet.
So just like this, first the kick,
There you
then a
go.
clap, and then all the drums.
There you go. Let me beat that.
So this will make the drop flow a little bit better. It makes it a bit more smoother, so let's skip the drums just like this. So now I want to add a lead to the second part of the drop. So just copy it over, sounding like this.
There you go. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters. Get your feet wet.
Just to fit it up again. So then we're going to work on arrangement. Just copy everything and put it behind each other.
I'm a dog. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters. Get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse.
Just like this.
Let me chase that pussycat. There you go. Let me.
So maybe it would work. It could work if we add a kick to the breakdown. So just give it a try.
I'm a dog. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters. Get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse.
Maybe to the second part. So let's see how it sounds.
That pussycat. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters. Get your feet wet.
Yeah, I think that's
Put it
dope.
in reverse. Let me
It's
beat
just
that.
a little
Let me
switch
chase that pussycat. I'm a dog.
compared to the first breakdown. So we're gonna change the side chain for this one. Make it unique. And enable it in the second part of the breakdown.
That pussycat. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters. Get your feet wet.
Yeah, that's perfect. So now let's focus on the transition. Vocals are overlapping, so we don't want that.
There you go. Let me beat that.
So just remove it.
There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test
though,
the waters.
just like
Get your
this.
feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. There you go. Let me beat that.
Yeah,
Let
just
me
look
test the
variation
waters. Get your
to
feet wet. Let me put it in
switch it
reverse
up.
and repeat that.
I think that's dope. So yeah, let's keep arrangement quite simple. We already got like 2 minutes in, so that will be enough for the short version. Of course, we can make a mix intro, outro, but we're not gonna focus on that. We're just making a song, so we'll be keeping the arrangement just like this. So I think we got to the point where it's time to focus on the mastering, so let's hop over to that. So now we're gonna focus on the master, so let's take the loudest part of the song. Second part of the drop. So we already got a limiter going on, we're gonna disable it for now. So the first thing in my master chain is the Maximus. It's a multi-band compressor. Or well, multi-band limiter. So what we're gonna do is compress all the bands separate from each other and just push it to the max loudness. So let's start off at the low end. So just dip the pulse gain. We can have a little bit of distortion. Just around here.
Pussycat.
So then go to the mid
There you
bend.
go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me
Again,
change
just
that
take a post
Pussycat.
down
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the
and
waters,
boost
get
the
your feet wet.
preamp.
Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that Pussycat.
Just like
There you
this.
go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet
Same for the high ends.
repeat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet.
Low is a little bit too much, so dip it.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me
So
put it
then
in
we're gonna
reverse and repeat that.
put a mix on halfway
That Pussycat.
and shape the master
Let me beat that.
so short release starts to stay.
Let me put it in reverse and repeat that.
The second release is gonna be quite high actually, sounding.
There you go, let me
Sounding
beat
like
that.
this.
Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse
So
and
let's
repeat that.
check the before and
Chase
after.
that Pussycat.
So without,
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in
and with
reverse
it,
and repeat that.
just pumping the
Chase that
loudness.
Pussycat.
So then I want to
Let me
EQ
beat
it.
that. Let me test the waters, get your feet
Open
wet.
up the high
Let me
end
put it
just
in
a little
reverse
bit.
and repeat that. Let me chase that Pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters,
Just
get
for
your
the
feet wet.
clarity, so
Let me
boost
reverse
it around
and repeat
10k.
that. Let me chase that
Just throw a
Pussycat.
small amount. And then we're gonna limit
There you
it.
go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your
So
feet
bring
wet.
back the
Put it in
limiter.
reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that
And let's
Pussycat.
push it. And let's push it to around minus 60 dB.
Get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that Pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me
Yeah,
test
just
the
around here
waters, get your
sounds
feet wet.
perfect.
Let me put it in reverse
So we have
and
the
repeat that.
maximum
Let me chase
loudness.
that Pussycat. Feet wet.
I think it's not
Put it in
taping
reverse
too
and
much
repeat
right now,
that. Let me
so
chase that.
the only thing I'm worried about is the lead sound, so let's dip it a little bit in volume. I think that's it for master, so just a real quick chain, but it really does the job to bump up the loudness, make it a little bit fuller. So the before is
There
this,
you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse.
and then the after.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me
So that's it for mastering. It's a really simple chain, but it really does the job. It pushes the loudness. It makes it a little bit thicker. So in my opinion, that's all you need in a mastering chain. So I guess we're done with the start and finish track. I think it really turned out dope. So as always, you can download the project file at my Patreon. Besides that, if you like the series, please drop a like, leave a comment, all that stuff. So besides that, leave your suggestions as well for the new series. And that's it for the video. So the final result will sound like this.
There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that Pussycat. There you go, let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that Pussycat. I'm a dog, don't tweet that. Tweet that, 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 I'm a dog, don't tweet that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that. Let me chase that Pussycat. There you go. Let me beat that. Let me test the waters, get your feet wet. Let me put it in reverse and repeat that.